Form the differential equation of the family of circles having center on y-axis and radius 3 units. Now, let the coordinate of center of circle on y-axis be 0, b. Radius of a circle r is equal to 3 units. Equation of a circle having center 0, b and radius r is equal to 3 is x square plus y minus b whole square is equal to 3 square. X square plus y minus b whole square is equal to 9. Now, where b is an arbitrary constant. Only one constant we are having, so we have to differentiate only once. Now, this is the figure, circle on y-axis with 3 units as a radius. Now, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, 2x plus 2 y minus b with dy by dx is equal to 0. Two x plus 2 y minus b y derivative is equal to 0. Just mentioning that y derivative is dy by dx. Now we can write it y minus b is equal to negative of x upon y derivative. Y minus b negative of x upon y derivative. Substituting value of equation 2 in equation 1. Now what we are getting? Equation 1 is x square plus, now y minus b whole square, and y minus b is negative of x upon y derivative whole square is equal to 9. Okay. So now this becomes x square plus x square upon y derivative whole square is equal to 9. Y derivative whole square with x square plus x square is equal to 9 y derivative whole square. Y derivative whole square with x square minus 9 plus x square is equal to 0, dy by dx whole square x square minus 9 plus x square is equal to 0 is the required differential equation. Answer.